Channing Tatum and Jenna Dewan are not actually officially divorced. They both have.
I had no idea.
Jenna Dewan, isn't she remarried?
She's engaged.
Okay, so she's engaged.
But I mean, obviously, that's why they're not married.
Yeah, and
they have been engaged for a while.
And Channing Tatum and Zoe
Deutsch.
Kravitz.
Why? That was just like you said Zoe and I said Deutsch.
You threw Deutsch down my throat so fast that I was like, wait, what?
Yep.
What happened with Jimmy Tatro?
Yeah. No,
Channing Tatum and Zoe Kravitz.
Like that was just my brain going
Deutsch.
Like if you gave me a celebrity, and I would throw out a last name. You know
what Deutsch?
If you were like Brad Pitt.
Yeah. Miranda
Cosgrove.
Yup. Nailed it.
That's why I don't know why you just said Zoe with Deutsch.
Yeah.
No, not Zoe Kravitz.
Zoe Kravitz. Yep. They're engaged too. So both of them are separately engaged, but they are not officially divorced.
Right. And it's like feisty. Jenna Dewan wants Channing Tatum to testify as they try to hash out this is People Magazine, as they try to hash out their divorce in court, while Channing is requesting both Dewan and her fiance, Steve. 6 years after they first announced their split, Dewan and Tatum are still at odds over a financial settlement, including profits from Tatum's Magic Mike franchise.
Damn, does Jenna want the profits?
Sounds like something's going on there. In court documents obtained by People, Dewan submitted her, quote, preliminary witness list, which included her and Tatum's names. Tatum and Dewan married in July 2009. Dewan filed for divorce in October 2018. They have a 10-year-old. Per the filing, Dewan wants her and Tatum, 43, to, quote, testify regarding all issues related to the parties' marriage, including business and financial activities. In court documents obtained by People, filed by attorneys for Tatum, the actor names Dewan as well as her fiancé Steve Kazi? I don't know how to. Among his witness list. The document notes that Steve is expected to testify regarding his and petitioner's cohabitation, joint expenses, and all related matters. Tatum and Dewan have a hearing scheduled for Friday, April 12th. According to court documents, the, quote, key issues for the trial are division of property, reimbursement claims, support, breach of fiduciary duty, and attorney's fees. Dewan singled out the Magic Mike intellectual property, which Dewan said they acquired together and is, quote, the largest issue that will affect the others. According to Dewan, the characterization and division of the Magic Mike intellectual property should be decided first because it, quote, will impact the resolution of the other financial issues in this case. She also claimed that the case has been delayed because Tatum allegedly refuses to accept an equal division of the Magic Mike intellectual property. She also accuses him of putting the earnings into, quote, an irrevocable trust and transferring licensing rights to a third party without telling her. Tatum disputes her claims. Court documents filed by his attorneys claim that the actor, quote, has expanded extensive efforts since separation towards the enhancement of the Magic Mike intellectual property and related entities, which respondent contends give rise to his separate property interests therein. The court will need to allocate the community interest and respondent's separate property interest in the intellectual property and related entities in consideration of respondents' post-separation efforts.
It's a lot
of legal jargon. Jargon.
I'm not even to be rude. I yawned during it.
Yep. No, that's so fair. It's way longer than I thought it was, to be honest.
It was like almost like a lullaby. I started getting really sleepy.
I know.
Like if you look at the footage, I'm like, my eyes started to close.
Dewan went on to allege that Tatum did not tell her about Magic Mike business opportunities and collected 100% of the profits after their separation without her knowledge. The actress also claimed Tatum sold their interest in Saints and Sinners LLC restaurant to a trust. That's that restaurant in New Orleans.
Yeah. So
really, I mean, man, they have some major. I kind of thought that they had like a fairly amicable split, but they're fighting over money here for sure, and it's like, you know, big things.